I'm your worst nightmare.
She won't find me up here.
One of you will be able to leave the house tonight. One of you. Hey, you're hot. I want to marry you and have kids. Are you crazy? I could crack your neck and break it. Yeah. Well, that cat with the blonde hair left, so everybody else has to die. Kids, time for...
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
You said I guess.
Well, I guess there's one more. You would be the worst one to die.
You forgot me.
So all I have to do is hit her, and she's fat. But nobody calls my auntie fat.
You should not did that. Now she's gonna come back and kill you.
You will suffer your worst death.
I will still die.
Damn, you're hard to choke. I did this every.
You said I guess the blue.
I guess the blonde cat gets to. Now I'm gonna shut out my lights and make my special design.
What are you doing?
Making my special design of 3. These are just what I needed. Ready to eat them, daughter? Good job, daughter.
Hey, who wants to go upstairs and play with Peter Tutter?
Me.
Sorry.
And then they all hunt. From today, they still haunt the red rose.